Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dermacos Multivitamin Cream. First, begin by cleansing your face with a mild facial wash to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. This step is crucial for allowing the cream to penetrate effectively. After cleansing, gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel, leaving it just a little damp. This helps the cream spread smoothly and absorb better into your skin. Now, let's talk about applying the cream. Take a small amount, roughly the size of a pea, onto your fingertips. Begin by dotting this amount evenly across your face and neck. Then, using gentle, upward and outward circular motions, massage the cream into your skin. Be sure to cover all areas, including your neck, for comprehensive nourishment. For optimal results, give the cream a few minutes to fully absorb into your skin before applying any other products, like sunscreen or makeup. This ensures your skin receives all the benefits. For a truly radiant complexion, we recommend using Dermacos Multivitamin Cream twice daily, once in the morning and again before bed. Consistent application is vital for maintaining healthy, nourished skin. Dermacos Multivitamin Cream is designed to deeply nourish your skin with a blend of essential vitamins and antioxidants. Regular use can help improve skin texture, promote an even tone, and leave you with a healthy, radiant glow. Remember to store your cream in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its efficacy. Enjoy your journey to beautiful, revitalized skin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.